Hello, book enthusiasts. Buckle up, because we're about to plunge into the abyss of World War II, the most colossal conflict humanity has ever witnessed. It wasn't just a battle, it was a global earthquake that reshaped the world we live in today. The year is 1939. Europe simmers under the dark shadow of Nazi Germany, led by the infamous Adolf Hitler. His expansionist ambitions ignite the spark, and on September 1st, the invasion of Poland sets the stage for 6 years of unimaginable devastation. The world quickly fractures. Nazi Germany, Fascist Italy, and Imperial Japan form the Axis powers, fueled by militarism and territorial greed. Against them stand the Allied forces, the United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, and the United States, united by the desperate need to stop the Axis juggernaut. The war unfolds like a brutal chess game. Germany's initial blitzkrieg tactics blitz across Europe. But Britain's resilience in the Battle of Britain and the harrowing evacuation of Dunkirk prove the Allies won't give up easily. The tide turns further east as the Soviets fiercely defend Stalingrad, inflicting a crippling blow on the German war machine. And who can forget the D-Day landings in Normandy, the largest amphibious invasion in history, marking the beginning of the liberation of Europe. World War II wasn't just about soldiers on the front lines. It was a human tragedy of unimaginable proportions. The Holocaust, Nazi Germany's systematic extermination of Jews, Roma, and other minorities, remains a stain on history, claiming an estimated 11 million lives. Millions more civilians perished in bombings, famines, and the horrors of occupation. Finally, in 1945, the war grinds to a halt. The Axis powers are defeated, leaving behind a world in ruins. But from the ashes rises a new era. The United Nations is formed, vowing to prevent future conflicts. Economies rebuild, and a fragile peace takes hold. World War II may be over, but its lessons echo into the present. It's a stark reminder of the fragility of peace, the cost of unchecked aggression, and the unyielding human spirit in the face of adversity. Estimated casualties, 72 to 85 million people, making it the deadliest conflict in human history. Cost of the war, estimated at 21 trillion in today's dollars. Technological advancements. World War II spurred innovations in radar, penicillin, and the atomic bomb. Women at war. Millions of women served in the military, factories, and resistance movements. Subscribe for more historical deep dives. Share this video and keep the conversation about World War II alive.